Is Sparky AI a multi-level marketing company? Hi, my name is Paul Farmer, and in this video, that is exactly what I'm going to answer you. So, in a nutshell, no, it is not a multi-level marketing company. It's actually an affiliate company, affiliate marketing company, single tier, meaning you only get paid on one level. So there are not multiple levels, you get paid on one level, and there's residual income and even one-time income built into it. So if I come over here, I can just kind of show you that real quick. We have the memberships. I don't know if you can see the numbers here, but I have covered this in previous videos. So definitely go back and watch my videos about this because I've covered this all the time. But you can choose a membership. You can start for as little as $20. You get paid residual commissions on the memberships, you get residual commissions on the building tools, you get one-time payments on the advertising co-op packages, all the way up to $16,500. So with the automatic duplication system, you become a member for only $20, paid member. You are now qualified to earn all those commissions, which is absolutely insane. Now also understand that within the system, when leads come in, these memberships have leads built into them. Like you get leads just from getting these memberships, but you can also generate your own leads right into the system. With this page here, everybody gets this page. Just grab your affiliate link and you can share this page with anybody you choose. It has a 3-minute video that goes over what Sparky AI is, what the automatic duplication system is, how it works, how it can benefit you. And then you have the opportunity to go and click and create a free account. Now, when you do that, what's going to happen is Sparky AI is going to be following up with you, calling, texting, emailing, voicemail dropping, you, reminding you to come back and, if you didn't do it, get your one-on-one coaching session. So you can get all your questions answered by a real human, by someone, a servant leader, someone that really wants to see you win, wants to see people win. That's why they're doing it. And this is the only company I know of that has this type of a setup where as soon as you come through the system here, you're given the option right away to drop right into a live Zoom room and work with someone one-on-one, getting all your questions answered and getting set up for success. Like it doesn't exist anywhere else. So I think it's really awesome. So where do people get confused when it comes to the it being an MLM? A lot of times people just want to put that tag on everything online. Everything's an MLM. That's not the truth. There's plenty of affiliate programs, but people that don't know any better, that's what they'll do. But where people are kind of getting confused is the income streams. So Sparky AI, you can earn from the membership itself. So once you're commission qualified, you can earn from any of the products within Sparky AI without adding any of the income streams. But it does have income streams that can help generate more income for you, residual income for you, and help you grow freedom income. That's what this is designed to do without the overwhelm, without the confusion, because all you do is share the system, and the system takes care of the rest. But within the system, we have different income streams, and these happen to be multi-level marketing companies that you can join. And when people come in, when you refer people into the system, they're going to be instructed to go and purchase the income streams, which means you will get paid on all of these different income streams, whichever ones they go into. And this happens over and over again to everybody on your team. So that's why this is called the automatic duplication system, because all the pieces are in place to bring people in and grow these businesses, grow these multi-level marketing companies. Now, typically, it is not recommended that you grow more than one multi-level marketing company. Like that would just cause a lot of overwhelm, a lot of confusion, a lot of frustration. This is not recommended. But when you have a system like the automatic duplication system, where all you do is focus on sharing the system. And there's even ways to have your advertising done for you through the advertising packages where you don't have to lift a finger. It's not really what I share though. I share a very powerful leverage system to help you grow multiple streams of income with very little work, because all you're doing is sharing this page. But even if you didn't want to do this, though, they do have systems in place. But that's it. It is not a multi-level marketing company. It is a single tier affiliate marketing company with income streams that are multi-level marketing companies. But the thing is, we are not advertising these companies. We are advertising the system. And by the leverage of the system, by the process of the system, people will go and get the different income streams, which will pay you residual income many times over. So it's really exciting when it happens, when someone comes through. I just watched someone do this just yesterday. They came through. I saw them come through as a lead. They signed up for a membership. Next thing I know, I see my emails lighting up with them joining the various programs. So instead of just getting paid once, you're getting paid many, many times. And it's just a very powerful system. I didn't have to talk to him. He went through the different follow-up processes that are in place. We've got Sparky, we've got the call center, and that was it. So if you like what you see, go to the link in the description, click on this button here, get your free trial, and go ahead and get started. I do recommend going ahead and taking your one-on-one coaching session so you can get all your questions answered and get set up for success. So there is no confusion, there is no overwhelm, there is no can I do it, will it work? No, you can get all your questions answered right here. Okay, so thank you for watching. I appreciate you, and I'll see you next time.